So having a pink powder under the eye kind of became a must for me, especially when I'm doing my makeup. And that's why I had to try the Tarte Creaseless Setting Powder in the shade Pink. So what I love about this one, it comes with a little sponge. And as you can see, I've used it, so don't judge me, please. But this also comes with it comes with a compartment too. You can keep your sponge up here, but then you can have your powder here. So as you can see too, it has a mesh, but this one is a pretty soft mesh, so I'm able to get a good amount of powder. And what I like to do is my mirror is down here somewhere, just look. I like to make sure that all my kind of wrinkles are gone. And I'm even go into the cap and get some more. And just kind of gently tap in. And kind of make sure, one, I don't have any wrinkles when I'm doing it, but kind of smooth, so I'm not setting in any wrinkles. And as you can see, this immediately has brightened the eye compared to this one, but I'm loving the effect of a brightening powder under the eye. I feel like it really sets the concealer super well. I don't have mascara transferring onto the bottom, like onto my under eye right here. And I find that this is 16 hours of setting. This is waterproof or sweat proof. And that this is really something that has become kind of a staple in my makeup routine. So if you're looking for a setting powder, this is definitely the one you need to check out.